Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect NerdWallet tools for credit card research, full guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting NerdWallet tools for credit card research, open your web browser. Type in NerdWallet in the search bar and press enter. Once the website loads, navigate to the top of the page. Look for the credit cards section in the main menu and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of credit card options. Now, to access specific tools, scroll down the page until you find the Tools section. Here, you will see various resources available for credit card research. Click on Credit Card Comparison Tool to start evaluating different options. You will be prompted to enter your preferences for rewards, fees, and credit score range. Fill in the necessary fields to tailor your search. After completing the form, click on Show Results to see the matched credit cards. Review the list of cards presented and their features. If you want to further analyze a specific card, click on its name. This will lead you to a detailed page about that credit card. Here, you will find information on rewards, rates, and benefits. Take note of the Compare option on the credit cards page. Click this to add the card to your comparison list. Repeat this process to add more cards if needed. Once you've selected the cards you want to compare, navigate to the Comparison tool. Here, you can view all the selected cards side by side. Evaluate each option based on the breakdown of their features. You can also access user reviews and ratings for additional insights. To further enhance your research, utilize the credit card calculator available on the site. Input your spending habits to see how different cards can benefit you. After gathering all the information, take your time to make an informed decision. Once you've decided on a credit card, follow the prompts to apply online directly through NerdWallet. Congratulations, you have successfully connected NerdWallet tools for credit card research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.